guys, welcome back to the Coda channel. Today we're going to be making fair bread. So first we're going to need 2 slices. How many slices you want of bread. I'm doing 2. Melted butter, something to glaze the bread with the butter, and any choice of sprinkles. So first we're going to take 1 slice of bread, and we're going to take this, dip it in the butter, and just spread it like so. And you need to know how long you melt the butter for. You melt it for a minute. Okay, then we're just gonna do it one more time. Put that down. Then we're gonna take the glitter, well, the sprinkles, and we're just gonna sprinkle it on there. And then you have one of them done. Then I'm gonna do the second one. So you're going to do the same thing. Take your brush, dip it in the melted butter, then bring it over to the bread and spread. You're done spreading. You're going to take your sprinkles again and put it all on there. How I did it one time, we're going to do this on another one. I made it, and then I put the butter over the sprinkles. And then I added more sprinkles on top of it. Now let's go to the table. Bottle. Bread. I'm gonna try the one that wasn't double layered. So this one first. Okay. The non-double layered one is good, like very good. I'm gonna try this one next. Okay, so this one's straight up a layered one. I don't really taste much yet because of the crust. So I'm gonna choose. Hope you guys have a nice day. See you guys next time. Bye.